In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google username. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Safari web browser and then open up google.com. Then log into your account. So if here you can find a sign in button, just tap on that, then enter your login and your password to log into your account. And once you did that, just tap right here at your profile picture and then select manage Google account. Now here tap at personal info and then scroll down for a bit, and here you can find name. Just tap on that and then here you can change your name by tapping at that pen icon. On that page you can change your first name and last name. You can hit at that text field and then you can edit this text as any other text. So just type in here whatever you want. And once you finished with that, just hit on Save button to apply the changes. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.